Okay. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to the SuperMap Mini Classroom Webinar Volume 2. In the first SMC webinar, we already discussed about the mapping the migration route of tornado using GIS. And the video already uploaded in our YouTube account. So if you are not a fan or willing to watch it again, please kindly visit our YouTube. And for today's webinar, we will discuss about one of the SuperMap functions that is tile migration using other pictures as reference for mapping purpose. It was very easy and will not take up much of your time. But I would like to start with a little bit company profile introduction of SuperMap. So as you may know, SuperMap was founded in Beijing in the 1997 by Dr. Erzun Zhong, and for approximately 23 years, we have helped humans in solving various problems with GIS as the main foundation. We have about 4,000 employees spreading in all around the world, more than 1,000 partners coming from more than 30 countries, and 38 branch offices and also the subsidiaries. There are five main key technologies that are the basis for solving spatial problems that encountered using SuperMap platform. The first one is the Big Data GIS. We support to do the whole process of big data, including the streaming data, storage management, spatial analysis, and also the visualization. And the second one is the AI GIS or artificial intelligence and GIS integration. In the SuperMap itself, the AI technology mainly provides three functions: the GeoAI, AI for GIS, and also the GIS for AI. And this will be the main topic of the webinar today, and I will give you more explanation about this in the next session. The third one is the 3D GIS. SuperMap developed its function lead to the 3D modeling since 2009 by integrating some technology like data model, scene construction, spatial analysis, and also the software form. The fourth one is the cross-platform. So SuperMap is not only able to be opened in Windows but also in other operating systems such as Linux. And the last one is the cloud computing. Since 2013, SuperMap available to do the GIS processing using cloud technology that allow you to do the computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. And the title of our webinar today is the Beautify Your Map using SuperMap AI GIS. So I will introduce you one of the SuperMap AI technology, precisely the AI cartography. And let's start with the definition of the Geographic Information System or GIS. GIS allow users to retrieve the digital representation of geographic features in the real-world location, not only the visualization but also integration with others' data, manipulation, and analysis in order to address some problems. And what about the AI GIS integration in SuperMap? So actually, since 2019, last year, SuperMap already developed its function in integrating the AI and GIS. AI GIS is a combination of AI technology with various GIS functions, including spatial data processing and analysis algorithm or GeoAI that incorporates the AI technology, and a general term for a series technologies of the mutual empowerment of AI and GIS. This is the trilogy of AI GIS in SuperMap. Let's start with the first one is the GeoAI. Machine learning is the core of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is a hot research direction in the core. GeoAI includes two parts. The first one is the geospatial machine learning and the geospatial deep learning. Taking SuperMap as an example, users can solve a variety of GIS application problems such as the spatial clustering, spatial classification, and spatial regression based on the geospatial machine learning. The second one is the GIS for AI. When faced with AI recognition results, GIS can further process and mine data by using its spatial visualization and spatial analysis capabilities. That is, the GIS empowers the AI. Map visualization applications such as the traffic flow monitoring, city component management, and cases can provide decision makers with a more intuitive form of information expression, while in-depth processing and mining of AI extractions results can enable real-time geofence alerts and vehicle tracking and so on to further expand the application. And the last one is AI for GIS. AI for GIS refers to the use of AI technology to improve the intelligence of the GIS software, including AI attribute collecting, AI survey and mapping, AI cartography. AI cartography will be the main topic of the webinar today, and the last one is the AI interaction. This is how AI cartography works. We need a reference picture as a color reference. The left one is the style picture and the right one is the original map. After we import the map and reference color picture, then the software will do the main color extraction by k-means clustering method. It was an unsupervised machine learning algorithm. And the last process is the color matching. This will be used as a basis for map color style migration. And this is some of the example results. As you can see here, the main color from the reference picture will be applied on the map. Only the main color. And we are going to get this result in the next process in the live tutorial. And next question, what software we will use to retrieve these beautiful results? And the answer is the SuperMap iDesktop X10i version. This version is quite different with software we already used in the previous webinar, the SuperMap 10i.net version. It is for the iDesktop X, it is a cross-platform full-feature desktop GIS software in industry that supports the mainstream operating system like Linux and also Windows. And you are able to download the installer in our official website SuperMap or by the link attached in the presentation. In the processing, in the map layouting today, we will not do any analysis to get the map. We will jump into the styling map process. Therefore, we only need two kind of data here. The first one is the vector map. We will use the vector map, and also the second one is the reference picture. And this is the data processing flow. The first process is we will import the map and then select the reference picture, do the further setting to get a better result, lay out the map, and the last one is save map as picture or PDF. Okay, I will share my SuperMap iDesktop screen. So this is the visualization of SuperMap iDesktop Extend I version. First thing to do is we need to right click in the untitled workspace and open the existing workspace data. Here I already have the Changchun workspace data. You can click on the workspace file and then click open. You can check in the map here. It's already exists the Changchun map. You can double click on that map and then the map will appear in the main window. This map is contained of many kind of vector data, including point, line, and also the region. There is bus point, factory point, parking, hospital, road, railway, park, water, and also others. And next process, we will import the reference picture that will be the reference for this map. You can go to the AI mapping here. The AI mapping menu is consists of two operations. The first one is the style transfer, and the second one is the map color fixer. In the style transfer, there are already some pictures, the dark styles picture and colorful pictures that provided by the software for you. Let's say we will try with the dark style first. You only need to click the picture and then the rest process will be done by the software. The software will automatically extract the main color from the reference picture and apply the colors in the map. In case you are willing to change the reference picture by your own, there are two options. You can press the select button here or click the custom button here. And then you will be asked to select your reference picture. It should be in the image file type format. It could be PNG, JPG, and also others. And then click open. Okay, let's try with other picture, the colorful one. I think this one is better. In case you feel that this result is not that good, you can select the one of the operation function in the map color picture here. And you're also able to set the hue, brightness, contrast, saturation, the soften or sharpen value, and also others. By change the value here or drag the button here. But I will not change the other color fixer. Okay, next process, I will lay out the map. So in SuperMap, before you lay out the map, you need to save the map first by right-click in the main window and select the Save Map or the Save as Map. And then you need to input the map name, and I will make it default. Your map will appear in the Workspace Manager under the Map menu. Okay, before we lay out, we need to create a layout file first by right-click in the layout and click the new layout. We can choose the plain one. Okay. I'm not really like with the black color as the background, so I will change the color by right-click in the layout page and choose the properties. And we can change the background here. Color is white color is better. And we can change the orientation, the size, and also the margin. Let's say we will choose the landscape, and I will not change the size and also the margin. Okay, next process is we will import the map into this page layout. You can go to the object operation, and in the object drawing you will find the maps feature. You can click on that and select the map font. I will choose the rectangle, and you can draw the rectangle here. Then you will be asked to select your fill map. You can select your previous map and click OK. Okay, next I will make it center. Go to the layout and click the focus map, and you can zoom in or zoom out the map and also drag the map. Okay, done. Okay, next process, I will give the title for the map. So you're also able to give either node arrow, legend, skill bar, picture, text, region, line, or point using the object drawing features. But before you add the feature, you need to select the map first and then select the feature. Let's say I will give the title first. You are able to change the color or maybe the font size, the font style by click in the text and then go to the files and select the text file here. And in the text file, you can set the font size, make it bold or italic, or maybe the font size and also the font style. Okay, the next process is I will give the north arrow. You can go to the object operation after you select the map, click the north arrow, I will replace the north arrow here, and I will change the color of the text. And next, I will give the bar scale. Select the map first, go to the object operation, and choose the scale here. And then you will be asked to draw the bar scale. And next, I will give the legend information. Select the map first and click the legend here, and then draw the legend. There are too much information inside the legend table, and I will not show all of them, so I will delete some of them. You can right click in the legend and choose the properties. In the right side, in the legend property window, you will find the sub-item visibility. And if you are willing to hide some information, you can uncheck in the checkbox here. But it may take long time, so actually I already prepared the ready layout. Yeah, this is the final result of the layouting map today. So I already changed the color of the map using the AI mapping feature, add titles, map arrow, and then the skull bar, and also the legend. And next process is we will import this map as a PDF or PNG. All you need to do is only right click in the map and select the export to image or export to PDF. And select your folder. Okay, I will save it here. And now you are also able to change the resolution based on your requirement. Okay, that's all for the processing data today. So I will get back to the presentation. Yeah, we already do the whole process, start from the import the map until save the map as a picture or PDF and get the result as either PNG or PDF. Okay, last, I would like to remind you again about one of the SuperMap International GIS contest. So this contest is targeted for students coming from undergraduate, postgraduates, or PhD students. We have four categories: the mapping category, the development, application analysis, and also the paper. So if you're students, you can join this competition. Further information available in our official GIS contest website in the www.giscontest.com. So if you are students, I advise you to join this competition because there are some opportunities, the prizes, the bonus, and also the internship chance. And last, if you are want to try the mapping process by your own, you can download the material in the link attached in this presentation, and please submit your result in the submission link if because the participant who already sent their submission will get the certificate from us. That's all from me. If you have any question, you can reach us by email or explore more information in our official website. Thank you for attention and see you in the next SMC.